Alright, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. So the Reggae Boyz have moved down to 56th position. Remember, that's a couple of months ago, we were all the way to 60 something. All the way to 60 something. So we're finally, something is happening. Something is happening. We're going to get into that discussion. Please do smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Yes, so the Reggae Boyz actually, kind of move up in a FIFA ranking now. So it look like something will happen. Really look like something will happen for us now, people. So definitely. Now, would that say that All Grims is on an upward trajectory? Would it say that? Possible. I remember that just a few months ago, maybe six to 8 months ago, the Reggae Boyz team was in turmoil. And well, it's not his fault, but when Paul Hall was here, Paul Hall taking over from Theodore Whitmore, the Jensek Dalton went, the players them arguing. So there was a big issue. Big problem. Problem back up. I mean, it's very frustrating. But it seems like something that is happening. But the thing is, there's a lot of questions still being asked about Coach Al Grimson. Nevertheless, some might not like his method of how the team play. Some might think that the team is not playing well. Really and truly, we can remember anytime Jamaica played this Spain like our Barcelona-esque type football. I can't recall. But what's important is being effective and getting the result. Being very effective and getting the result. Now, many might say that we have actually beaten the teams that many would expect us to beat. That's one of the talking points. So we're still working here, still work in progress. There's still a lot to be done. Al Grimson himself said that the door is still open, still looking at bringing in quality players, but it's not like the floodgates have opened just like maybe a couple months ago when you just calling players to see players. Now what's gonna happen now is that every official FIFA window will be competitive games. Competitive games, which means something. So time is actually boiling down on him. We also get a balanced squad, a squad with depth, and also a squad that he can move forward with. 2026 is kind of far away from here, but when you look at the squad that we have and the age variation, certainly there's going to be a lot of work need to be done, because not a lot of these players will be able to be fully effective coming 2026. So likes of Jamari Connor Boyce Clark, these youngsters at this age, Duja and Richards, at this age, these youngsters, they will be very important for 2026. Very important, because at that point in time they should be going into their next footballing phase, in regards to not hitting peak, but they should be close enough to go towards their peak moments. But certainly a lot of work still to be done with the Reggae Boyz squad. A lot of work still to be done with the Reggae Boyz squad and the fan base in regards to get them on board with each other. Still problematics where players are concerned, players in and out, still an assurance, lack of assurance with some of the players. So there's a whole lot of things needed to be working out. But besides all of that, we are still moving up in rankings, and we're still getting fairly decent and positive results. Nothing will be perfect. I don't think nothing is ever perfect. What is perfect? Maybe life itself, just life generally. Yeah, but we're still work in progress, and still there is positive to take away, and hopefully we can see a lot more positive moving forward. So 58 to 56, that's a positive. Big up on yourself, people. We want to get 940s, we need to get 940s, but you can know say it's not really easy. Look what the Reggae girls did, and look which part them jump go. So see, it's not going to be easy, but certainly playing more competitive games and ranking up, hopefully we win. Ranking up those points can move us there. Big up on yourself, people. Big up to the Reggae Boyz again. Hit the like button, people. Smash the like button. MG Sports TV. Join the program. Join the family. MG Sports TV. And we're out. Boom. Big up Reggae Boyz. 56.